don't we, let's just sit with what we heard. And not expect everybody to do everything.
Is that your given name?
Yeah.
Why is it in quote?
Well, I gave it to myself. It's given to me.
Okay.
There's so much I wanna do. And tonight,
You can touch my boobs, right?
I know.
It's just that
I respect you too much for that.
thank you.
You're welcome.
You help boobs, I didn't touch them.
Oh my God.
I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me?
I don't have sex yet. I haven't had sex yet with another person. Really?
I didn't lose my virginity to you.
Wait. What?
I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And
I fucking hate this song.
I love it.
Jesus Christ, you have really bad music. It's all greatest hits.
But they're the greatest. What's wrong with that?